Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies with temperatures in the mid-30s currently. We'll see temperatures rise today in the upper 30s before we see some precipitation come in from the west. It's going to be in the form of some light rain and snow showers when it first initially starts, quickly transitioning over to some snowfall for later this afternoon into the early evening hours. And we'll see those temperatures fall to around 34 to possibly 32 degrees. We'll see snowfall accumulations today into the evening hours, around 2 to 4 inches here at Wallops. And we'll see that snow transition to some rainfall during the evening hours and seeing continued rain showers overnight tonight. So looking at our sounding from this morning, freezing level right around 100 feet. We see our winds light in the low levels out of the north around 10 knots, then becoming more westerly and increasing up to 92 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, we have an area low pressure over the southeast states. It's going to move off to our south and to our east and developing off the North Carolina coastline and then over the ocean for tonight. That's going to give us our precipitation for today and moving through the region, especially once we move past about noon today. So taking a look at our current satellite as well as radar composite reflectivity. You can see here the composite reflectivity showing that returns over the area. They are drying up as they fall out of the cloud this morning, so seeing some virga across the region. Looks like currently we're seeing our cloud bases down to about 6,000 feet, so we got about 6,000 more feet to go for this precipitation to saturate the atmosphere and getting that snowfall to finally come across the region. As I mentioned, looks like it'll be afternoon today. And looking at the European model for the next few days here, you can see that snowfall for today into this afternoon and quickly transitioning to some rainfall during the evening hours. That area low pressure develops off to our east. We'll see that area snowfall move off the coast tomorrow morning. We'll see higher amounts as we move into the central and north central Delmarva across the region. But moving into our Wednesday, going to see rain showers move back in the region during the evening hours and a warm front moving through for Wednesday night into Thursday. We'll see some warmer temperatures on Thursday with rain showers likely during the morning and early afternoon hours. Then Friday we'll see a cooler air mass move in the region, high pressure in store, dry day on Friday. Then Saturday into Sunday looks like a rainy weekend across the region, seeing rainfall likely during the afternoon hours on Saturday. As well on Sunday we'll see a strong cold front move through the region. It's going to pump in some warm air ahead of that, so could see temperatures in the 60s on Sunday before that cold air mass moves in for Monday, with temperatures possibly not making it above freezing for Monday. So our risk chart for today, we'll have red condition for our precipitation afternoon today until 4 local on Wednesday, then orange condition for our precipitation. We'll see that, as I mentioned, light rain and snow become all snow quickly for this afternoon, and some of that could be heavy at times. And when we do see that heavier snow, we'll see those temperatures fall into the lower 30s, and that's when we expect our accumulation to occur for later this afternoon into the early evening hours. And we'll see that transition back to some rainfall, especially after about 8 to 9 o'clock this evening. Our low ceilings will be in the area, especially once that snow moves in the region, and it'll stick over the area overnight with the rainfall continuing. High today around 39, low tonight of around 32 to 33 degrees with that snowfall, and then rising overnight with temperatures in the mid-30s to upper 30s by Wednesday morning. We'll see our winds fairly light this morning and then picking up out of the northeast overnight, 10 to 15 knots, gusts 21 knots. We'll see low ceilings across the region the next 24 hours, and the ceilings will especially come down after about 1,400 local, and then we'll see those ceilings below 1,000 feet through tomorrow morning. Our tides are running normal, and looking at Wednesday and Thursday, red condition for our precipitation through this time period. So Wednesday, overcast, abundant low cloudiness, and patchy drizzle, rain likely by the evening, chilly and slightly breezy, a high 42. Wednesday night, overcast, rain likely, abundant low cloudiness, and slightly breezy, a low 41, temperatures rise in the upper 40s by dawn. And for Thursday, be a mild day, low clouds and slightly breezy winds, with rain showers likely through early afternoon, then becoming mostly partly cloudy and breezy with the post-frontal northwesterly winds on Thursday, late afternoon and evening hours. We'll see good chance for our ceilings, and as well a good chance of seeing a wind advisory late Thursday. So looking at the next 7 days, coolest day today of through this week into the weekend, and we see our temperatures rise above normal on Thursday, 57. We'll go cool back down on Friday at 42. And we'll see temperatures once again rising above normal for Saturday and Sunday with that rainfall across the region. And then a cold day looks like on Monday. Temperatures in the lower 30s, breezy conditions, wind chills in the 20s, and that'll possibly set the stage for a few cold days early next week. That's going to complete. Excuse me. We have one more slide here, snow map. We're going to have our snow totals today of around 2 to 4 inches across the Wallops region, 4 to 6 across the central Delmarva, 6 to 8 across the north central Delmarva, and looking like that snowfall, as I mentioned, starting around noon today, continuing till about 8 or 9 o'clock this evening, and that'll allow for us to see that 2 to 4 inches here. Wallops, those locations north of Wallops into Wycomico County is going to see more snowfall, and most likely going to see some rougher road conditions tomorrow morning across central Delmarva. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15, 10 a.m.